That's my friend Brienne, and we're both pretty bored. So I went and bought, $9 worth of rope, $10 worth of sleigh, and $1,000 worth of sled. So we're gonna go fire that up. And we're gonna take Bree for a little ride. All right, so my camera kind of fucked up this afternoon. Those are all spare parts. It's not white. Yeah, it seems to run pretty decent. Gas, so see how much fun we can have. Got any final words?
Help!
Probably won't see shit in it. Yeah. It's blurry as fuck, of course. With the barn light. How is it?
My hands catch on the snow, but we're good.
Just hold on to the front, maybe.
Snow cube.
Yeah. All right. Well, we had our first wipeout, as you can tell. Not even far, but it's pretty fun. Well, 3/4 inch tracks are not good for fuck all. Yeah, we're kind of stuck. Yeah, my focus doesn't focus. See these not even 1/2 inch lugs. No good for this.
Oh my god.
So now, because she's a wuss and can't lift shit. Hey?
Shut up.
Yeah, whatever.
Covered in snow, it's cold.
Anyways, I gotta lift this up, slide her sideways, and try to get the fuck out of here. While that guy over there is having too much fun. Yeah, fuck you, mister. Yeah, this is fun.
What?
Nothing!
What?
Nothing! Okay, I gotta go. It's my bedtime. I'm tired. That sucked in the field over there. Hey guys, we're over here at Luke's in Luke's shop. We're gonna be tearing into my new sled. We got some part sleds. Luke's parting that thing out, so he's gonna be tearing that thing apart, and I'm gonna be tearing into this one, trying to fix all the little stuff. We're gonna go over, check the chain case, all that stuff, make sure our oils are nice and all the bearings are good, and just check everything out. Whatever we can modify and make better, we'll do that. We'll check the compression. We'll go over the whole machine to make sure she's tip top. We're gonna get rid of this old prepare rack. That is the first thing we're gonna do. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod, and you guys are gonna watch this time lapse. I watched a video last night of some guy building his bike that way, and I thought it was pretty awesome. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, got this thing half apart there and we found some stuff. Like some studs have been through the tunnel somewhere, just because, yeah. The tunnel's cracked on both sides. I'll fix that real quick. This side's not as bad. The next thing I noticed is that the shock was welded one on top of the other. That's what I mean, one welded on top of the other. That's funny. There's no clutch.
Take the bolt out of it. So that walks off too.
It hits me in the dick.
I'm gonna start it back up and do it again.
It'll fly though off the throttle though.
Why would you do that?
I was in the process of taking things off. Sounds awesome though. Mod sled! High five! Yeah. Melissa, you're laughing way too loud for video right now. Alright, so just because...
As she straddles a big cannon on that.
Oh my god. I have to edit that shit out. Or I won't. Anyways, so Luke's taking apart that XCR that's over here. No, it's a XC. XC, my bad.
XC.
So we got the XC pipe and the muffler in here. So I'm just going to hold it there and to see if it sounds cool or if it doesn't. But yeah.
What the fuck are you doing?
Okay, Luke, you want to hit the switch for me?
Hope it burns your hands.
I hope so too.
Choke?
Yeah. You can't even hear it. Actually, you can't because that can't even go all the way in because it's too big.
Holes too big.
Oh god.
Can you get a thicker donut?
No, I would just cut that off and put like a... I put a small block Polaris flange. You know, like, I'd probably cut that one off. Or, no, whatever. Alright, well, mine is pretty torn down. I haven't videotaped in a while. We got a bunch of radius rods everywhere, and those newer gas shocks are going to fit on there. We're going to make them work. Luke's pretty much torn this thing down. He bought this to part out and sell for parts. And he's going to do well on it, as far as I know. That skid's pretty good. Anyway, so I'm going to finish taking that side of the suspension off, and then I'm going to call it a night myself. It's actually like 1 a.m., so yeah.